Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to arcsec of 3x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because s is greater than number 0, so that's why we cancel the absolute value in here. That's why we just put about s. Next, this one we change by u. The s over s with the square root of 9s squared minus 1 we change by the u. So the integration of u, we have u squared over 2, and I will put about c. 13 divided by 2, we have 15. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.